Hi, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And this time it's for Easter. Let's get started.
As always, we start out with a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, you can leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. We have lots of different colors of buttercream: red, 2 shades of pink, brown, green, yellow, as well as I left some white. I'm using 3 Russian piping tips today. So we have brown buttercream in a piping bag with a star tip, green with a grass tip, dark pink with a small round tip, the Russian piping tips with combinations of the 2 pinks and yellow buttercream, and finally white buttercream with a medium round tip. I start out writing Happy Easter on the cake with a skewer and pipe over it with dark pink. Then I pipe a few nests around the cake with the brown buttercream. And I piped a few bunny butts with white buttercream. I pipe a round blob, gently cover it with a bit of coconut, then pipe a dot on top of the butt to be the tail, and 2 lines at the base of the blob to be the feet. Then I add toes and a heel with pink. Let's see that again. Blob, coconut, tail, feet, toes, and heel. My kids helped me fill the nests with jelly beans. And another bunny butt. I made a total of 4. Then I surrounded the bunnies and the nests with piped grass. If you like what you see, hit that like button. And while you're down there, hit subscribe for a new cake video every week. Then I piped some flowers using the Russian piping tips. I had a little trouble getting them to stick to the grass though. I would recommend piping them before the grass. And finally, I piped a few flowers along the side of the cake. I think this cake is sweet. I love the bunny butts. They would be adorable on a cupcake. Happy Easter! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.